Hi, this is Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Are you making a bee journal? So here is a book for one of my book reviews. Okay, so Beekeeping, Self-Sufficiency by Joanna Ride. All right, so it is a paperback book, 5 3/4, almost 6 inches by 8 1/4. Really nice cover, and here is the spine, and then here is the back of it. ISBN numbers 978-1-84773-435-8. That's one of the longer ISBN numbers. So self-sufficiency. So this book, if you're making a bee journal, you have all of these little bee images, illustrations, the words you can cut out. Here's another one. You got some bees here. So this is 2009 by Joanna Ride. So look at, here's some bees. And what I like about this book is that it has lots of these, you know, the bee lines, and then here and the leaves, and look at the honeycomb. So this would be an awesome book to get a lot of images out of. Here's a bee on the flowers to use in your junk journal. You could, let me see if this is, these are signatures. So let me just look real quick. I can see the signature. Yep, look at that. They're sewn in signatures. You could take an entire page out and put in your book, and like you could make a pocket over this page, and this side, you know, you could leave, or you could take some craft paper and tear it in the shape of this and cover this words, and that would be a journaling spot for this page. I mean, you could do a lot with, oops, I think I passed some pages, sorry. So I was looking to see how it was put together. So let's go back. So I think I left off here. Okay, so yep, I did fine. So yeah, there's lots of images, lots of, you know, relevant stuff in this book. I have never made a bee book, but I know a lot of people do, so I thought maybe this would be something that you would want to search for. Maybe you didn't know this book was around, and look at, you could use all of that inside the hive. Oh, it's just, this is fabulous. Yeah, so maybe you would like to search for this book for your bee project. So yeah, I just love the little dots all over, and the little images, and I mean, see, you could put something over that and be a little journaling spot. You could be very creative. Fussy cut some of this stuff out. Look at that. And then it gets into the recipes. So yeah, just really neat book. Lemon and honey. Some more bees. Some canning jars. This is a yellow page with oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? It's pretty. So yeah, maybe you would like that. So there you go. Anyone who's making a bee book. All right, well, thank you for joining me, and let me know if you have any comments or anything. Please leave them below, and I try to answer every single one. All right, thank you so much. All right, bye.